Want to give your Shopify store a fresh new look? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to publish a Shopify theme with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start by logging into your Shopify account. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then go to your theme library. This is where all your added or purchased themes are stored. Hover over any theme to preview it if you want a quick refresher. Next, locate the Publish button under the theme you want to go live. Click it, and just like that, your chosen theme is now visible to everyone visiting your store. Don't worry, you can always switch themes later by repeating the same process. And that's it. Publishing a theme is that simple. Keep experimenting, refresh your store when needed, and make sure it always represents your brand perfectly. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips.